severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting the listening area. The Northern Virginia
Here's my station. This relay is because it's on WXR.
warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can automatically be activated by these signals to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signals in the receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service around noon each Wednesday, except for the first Wednesday of the month when it is conducted around 7 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarms, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from transmitter,
can
occur
be
even though you are
using a good quality receiver in perfect working order.
To provide the
Most consistent and
dependable
warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following ladies
in the
and
Blacksburg County warning area in Virginia: Amherst, Appomattox, Bedford, Buckingham, Campbell, Charlotte, Halifax, and Rockbridge. Also included are the independent cities of Buena Vista, Lexington, and Lynchburg. In addition, we also broadcast short-fused products for Prince Edward County in Virginia. This has been a test of the NOAA radio warning device. We now return to normal programming. Piedmont of Virginia, including Lynn.